Despite the trade war between the Despite the trade war between Huawei and the United States, Huawei still keep churning amazing devices. Now, a little bit of background here. The ban by the United States of US-based companies from trading with Huawei only affects unreleased devices. Any device that was released before the ban will still continue to get Google services and Google security updates. Why am I saying this? Because right here, we have a device that was released before the ban, but it has just entered the Kenyan market, and we're about to unbox the heck out of this one. From Techweez, I'm tekItnGo with the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. Let's take it and go. The Y9 Prime 2019 is more or less a premium version of the Y9 2019 that was announced last year, and it has some key upgrades. It retains a similar 2340 by 1080p LCD display with a 6.59 display having very tiny bezels, giving it an insane 91% screen-to-body ratio, making it feel quite sleek. This is not the first implementation of this design we are seeing, but we love how Huawei have done it at this price point. The Y9 Prime 2019 is powered by Huawei's own Kirin 710F CPU, which is a powerful CPU that also powers the Y9 2019 and the Huawei P30 Lite. The phone comes with 4GB of RAM as standard, and you either get 64GB or 128GB of internal storage as standard. You get a total of 4 cameras on the Y9 Prime 2019. The selfie camera is a single 16-megapixel unit that is motorized and pops up when you switch to selfie mode. The motorized system has been tested and can apparently sustain over 100,000 repeated actuations. What are actuations? Repeated up and downs. Wow, okay. There's a total of 3 cameras at the back, which includes a wide-angle camera, which again is great at this price point. There's a primary 16-megapixel camera with an f1.8 aperture and has face detect autofocus and fast autofocus. There's an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. It runs on EMUI 9.0, which is the latest Huawei skin on top of Android 9 Pie. The battery is a 4000 mAh unit, which is nice to see. The Y9 Prime also features a USB Type-C port, which will delight some people who look for that feature in a phone. The phone comes in several colors: midnight black, emerald green, and sapphire blue. That back has a dual tone finish, which has a cool effect to it and makes it stand out from the crowd. In conclusion, this is a device on a budget that has some premium features. Listen to that. 6.59 full view display, auto pop-up selfie camera, triple AI camera, 4GB of RAM, 128GB of storage, and a 4000 mAh battery. And you can get all these for only 24,999 shillings, which is $250. And if you get to buy it during the pre-order phase, you get yourself a pair of headphones worth 3,000 shillings from Huawei. Thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure to follow, like, and subscribe. And until next time, we done unboxed and taken the Huawei Y9 2019 Prime. Now we go.